Hey everybody, welcome back to We Evolve Dance. I'm your host Will Orrock, and today we're going to talk about 3 basic shines. Yeah, shines are done in instrumental parts of the music, so that's when the singer or the chorus is not really singing. However, there are occasions where the singer will not sing and the chorus will, and that would be considered part of an instrumental piece. So let's get into the first one. So the very first one is called a Suzy Q. There's many ways to do this, but I'm going to break it down so that you guys can build onto it from bigger steps to smaller and tighter steps. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cross my left leg in front, and I'm going to go 1, 2, transfer my weight, and 3. Change sides, bring it in front. 1, 2, 3. Change sides. 1, 2, 3. Change sides. 1, 2, 3. Last time. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to notice a couple things that I do. I'm going to turn around and show you. So the first thing I do is as I cross my left, I pinch my right, I step once more and I cross. Then you can see my back heel right here, it continues to stay up. I cross in front and I go 1, pick up the back heel, hold it up, 2, and 3, leave it there. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? This permits me to move quicker with the music. As we know, salsa is quite fast. This should be noted that lifting up our heel actually helps us to transfer the weight quicker because the salsa music is very fast. There are exceptions where the salsa is much slower, but in general, it's pretty quick. Now, as you saw that I went big steps. Well, now we're gonna make it slightly smaller. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start to do a little pivot in the foot. So we go like this. 1, 2, 3, change. 1, 2, 3, change. 1, 2, 3, change. 1, 2, 3, change. Okay, let me show you that from this way. Here we go. To our right hand side, crossing with the left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay? Keeping it tighter and doing that pivot not only gives it a little bit more style and dynamic, but it also helps me again with the timing of the music because the music is fast. Now, another thing that will help you not only with timing and movement is also balance is your arms. So what I like to do when I dance is I like to move them opposite of the direction I'm going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to my right, but I'm going to be crossing with my left. So I go opposite arms and legs, opposite direction of where I'm going. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let's see that from the back side here. Again, going towards my right with my left. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Arm position and hand positions, that all depends on how you want to dance it. You can dance it with the hands more like this, you can dance it more fist, just depends on what you want to show. So you could hold it like this and not move the arms. You could do more of a figure 8 movement with the arms. Just depends on how you feel. You could keep them tiny here in front, almost kind of like you're a dinosaur, but that's not the case here. It just looks like one. But you move it from here to here to here. You have many options, so play around with that, see what you like to do. The next one in this video is our cross. Very similar to the Suzy Q, but instead of going side to side, we stay more in place. And what we do is we're gonna cross again, starting with our left foot towards our right. We're gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, change sides. 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 So this one is nice because it also goes with the 1, 2, 3 count in the music, and it can be done in that same instrumental break. So this is what it looks like, a little bit quicker. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let me show you that from the back side here. So what it looks like from the back here, again, going to my right hand side with my left, I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, in, out, in, out, in. Okay? Some of you, when you try this, you might lose a little bit of your balance, but that's okay. Make sure to keep your abs in, and also bending your knees will help you maintain that balance. One of the things is I don't fully step down. I actually step or touch with my toe. Toe in, toe out, then I fully step down, transferring my weight forward to the forward leg. Then I go toe, toe, all the way down. Toe, toe, all the way down. That is the cross. All right, and the third and final step of this tutorial is the toe, heel, toe. This one is very fun as well because it's actually a mix of the Suzy Q and the cross at the same time. We've got foot pivots and changing side to side. So let's just get into it. So the first thing that I do is I go toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. Toe, heel, cross. And toe, heel, cross. Let's see it from this way now. Here we go, and I go toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, and toe, heel, cross. That, of course, is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 with the count. So let's see what that looks like slightly quicker and continuous. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from this side, here we go, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, in, out, in, toe, heel, foot. As you noticed in the Suzy Q, the cross, and now the toe, heel, toe, I use my arms the exact same way, side to side. It helps you to move across the floor and stay in balance, so don't forget to use those arms. And plus, play with them. Maybe you might invent something. Maybe something might look better for you going like this instead of going like this. It's all up in the air, hence it's salsa, and salsa is a mix of everything. Let's see these 3 shines with music. Let's see these 3 shines with music.
I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, hit that little subscribe button and the little bell button next to it. That lets you know when all my videos are coming directly to your mail, so you guys don't miss any of them. Also, down in the description, you will see links to dance products that you guys can check out. Shoes, slip-ons, a bunch of different things that will help you become a better dancer, and it will be more comfortable for you guys to go out and dance on the dance floor. All right, thanks so much guys, and see you soon.